Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to activate your Shopify dropshipping store and start selling with no inventory. Follow this step-by-step guide to launch your successful online business. Step 1. Set up your Shopify account. Visit Shopify's website and sign up for a free trial. You'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. Make sure the name reflects your brand and products. Step 2. Choose a pricing plan. Once your trial is set up, you'll need to select a pricing plan that suits your needs. Shopify offers various plans with different features. Choose one that aligns with your budget and business goals. Step 3. Customize your store. Navigate to the online store section in your Shopify dashboard. Select themes and then customize to modify the look and feel of your store. Use high-quality images, appealing fonts, and a color scheme that represents your brand effectively. Step 4. Install a dropshipping app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for popular dropshipping apps like Oberlo or Spocket. Install the app of your choice to source products for your store without holding inventory. Step 5. Find and import products. Using your dropshipping app, browse through available products that fit your niche market. Once you find your desired products, import them to your Shopify store. Ensure you curate items with appealing descriptions and images. Step 6. Set up payment methods. In your Shopify dashboard, navigate to Settings and click on Payments. Choose your payment providers, such as PayPal or Stripe, to enable smooth transactions on your store. Step 7. Configure shipping settings. Go to Settings and then Shipping and Delivery. Set up your shipping options, including rates and regions you'll ship to. Make sure these details are clear to customers. Step 8. Create essential pages. Don't forget to create essential pages for your store, including an About Us page, Contact Us page, and a privacy policy. These pages build trust and provide important information to your customers. Step 9. Launch your store. Before going live, double-check all the settings, product details, and checkout process. When you're ready, remove the password protection from your store, officially launching it to the public. Step 10. Market your store. Now that your store is live, it's time to promote it. Utilize social media, email marketing, content marketing, and SEO strategies to attract traffic to your store and increase sales. Thank you for following along with our Shopify dropshipping setup guide. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more valuable tips on starting your online business.